Hello, everyone. Hello, participants. And also, I just wanted to show you how to, install MicroSim with the help of, image files. Image is nothing but it's built with the help of Singularity. We are not using any Docker. Okay. It's actually image is nothing but a container which, doesn't depends upon your local, OS, configuration. It might vary from system to system, and we have built this image on majorly for Ubuntu or Linux based systems. If you are using a Windows, I think you can use a WSL. From that you can install that. Okay. And also if you are having like WSL older version, like if you have a Windows 7 and you're using a uh, WSL, that might also cause a problem. If you're having a Windows 11 and then you are using a WSL, it will be I don't think it might cause any problem. Okay, let us start with the installation part. The first thing is you have to install the Singularity basically, and we have provided the three links here. If you have a Ubuntu 18, 20, or 22, just click on the link and you can download this link. Okay, and we have already done that.
So for the offline participants here,
yes,
we have already shared this link.
Yes.
So let's say, so this particular system is Ubuntu 20. So for Ubuntu 20, so Bionic is 18, Focal is 20, and Jammy is 22. Okay, so this particular system is Ubuntu 20. So we will double click this. And just click on install. So that's the first step. We are installing Singularity. Okay, so this is done. So the people who are sitting here, have you done this?
Not using Ubuntu.
Oh, you need to use WSL. Okay, so
no, not WSL. I'm using Fedora, so
I'm
following their documentation there.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, I mean, for now you just follow through this. Yeah, later on you can check.
If you are having any kind of issue, please let us know online as well as here. Just see the chat.
Yeah. Yeah, we are doing. Yeah.
You have shared, no? Okay.
Yeah, that I've shared.
Just
We'll go back. So everyone here done with the Singularity installation? Anyone remaining? Okay. About what? Is it which Ubuntu is that? 22. So you have to use the Jammy, the third dep file. You tried that? So sir, is it working now? Yeah. .04 link is not working. Pradeep, what happened? Okay. Yes, yes. Oh, no. So that instruction you can give here itself, no? So everyone can listen to it. Can you bring your laptop? Are you connected via Teams? Will it take time for to show the instruction through
yes.
WSL? So it will take time, no?
Yes.
Okay. No, but still, I think, okay. So for WSL, so the people who are using Windows and want to use WSL, will walk you through the steps for installation later on. But as of now, the people who already have Ubuntu systems will continue with that. So okay, so everyone has installed this Singularity now. So next step is to download the MicroSim package from the GitHub repository. So we have already provided the link. So the people who are sitting here, we have already shared this file. Okay, so we'll jump to the next step. So since we have already given you the SIF file, SIF file, so that's the image file of the Singularity for the grand potential solver. So so this SIF file can be generated by building this particular def file. Okay, this has all the instructions for what all software packages are required. So it will combine all of that into a SIF file. So we have already shared the pre-built SIF file to you all. So you don't need to go through this step. But if in case if you are using the SIF file and you are not able to run the solver, then in that case, because there might be some system to system differences because of which the pre-built SIF file might not work. So that's why we have given the instruction for building it through this command. Okay. So right now we have the SIF file. So we will skip this step number 3 and we'll go to step 4. Okay. So Pradeep.
Yeah. And now let us. We have. Did we install? No, right?
Yeah, we installed.
Installed it.
Yeah.
Right? Let me open the terminal from here. Okay. And what is the folder is the PDF.
Yeah, we'll do.
This one, right? Okay.
Yeah. So just go to that MicroSim folder. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So then you need to navigate to the MicroSim folder. So with this link, you'll get the zip file. So extract it. After extracting, you'll get this kind of MicroSim folder. So just go into the folder via terminal. So which we'll do here. Okay. So you'll see all these files. So the first step is
just run the / swap file. It's already exit, so we can.
So because we had all previously run this command, so it had already created a bin folder. So you can remove that by using swap back, and we'll do it again. Okay.
It works now.
Yeah.
So the alteration with the Python script and the bin folder has been created. For that purpose only we are using that swap script file script actually. Now what we are going to do is we're going to do the next step. That is.
Okay, people are saying they did not receive the swap file in there.
Swap file. It's
swap
already.
Script. It's there on GitHub. No.
No, actually no.
Okay, fine. We'll share it with them.
And the people who does not have
so
swap
this
script
this
file,
swap file, this is required only if you want to run MicroSim GUI. So the terminal works even if you don't have this swap script.
yes.
So we'll share this swap script with you. But I mean, as of now, we can just follow through the instructions.
Yes. Then we have to run this command actually.
We'll type it. Okay. So now we already have the image file. Now we want to load that image file into the Singularity. So right now we are in a normal Ubuntu terminal. So we'll go into the Singularity container. So you have to go, you have to type this command within the MicroSim folder.
Not MicroSim. We have to come out and then you have to type it.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, sorry, we have to exit out of this MicroSim directory, just one level outside, so that you can see the MicroSim directory here.
Yes.
And then we have this zip file here,
Yes.
T777gpgy.zip. Then you have to use Singularity shell bind /microsim mount, and then type the zip file name. So we have loaded this particular image within the Singularity, and now we can access the whole of MicroSim grand potential through the Singularity terminal.
Okay. One thing I wanted to add you, that MicroSim folder is there, no? It's a source folder. For example, if you have a source folder somewhere else, okay. So in that case, you have to provide here the whole, the path that is, the MicroSim folder is, provided, okay. And it's a destination. We have created just a, folder called mount. Where you don't have to have a sudo access to run through the mount. So that is why we used a created a folder called mount, and where we are copying all the microsim file to that one, and that's .zip file or the image file actually contains all the dependencies. So we do have it, and now we are actually entered into a Singularity now. Okay. So if you just write an ls, you can see everything is there, which is already available. So you have to have these all the files that we have provided into your zip file Singularity. So if you are able to go till now, please let us know. Okay. And also if you are having
Question.
This is like a Conda environment.
Yes,
right?
it's a
it's
environment,
itself is an
container.
environment. Yes.
So the SIF file will have all the dependencies and will access like that.
Yes.
So any questions here? So the people sitting here, are you able to follow till here? Any questions? You're able to follow? Oh, Windows. Okay.
And for the Windows one, I know try to install the Singularity, or the .deb file provided. No, try to install it, in your WSL through terminal. Search it in,
We'll tell them the instruction.
Yes.
No?
Okay.
After this.
Yes.
So this is done. So for example, we have the image file, the zip file for the CUDA also. So so there is just one change that you have to make if you want to load the NVIDIA CUDA image. So you just have to add this flag -NV. Okay.
Yes.
So now we have loaded the image. We'll go to the MicroSim folder. So you have to go to cd/mount.
Yes. Okay. Let us see. So all the solvers are available here. Okay. And let us see the next step. Yes. Okay. Now we have to go to the grand potential solver MPI. Okay. And we are going into the folder of the solver, that is grand potential, finite difference 2D MPI solver. And now
Someone has a question. They're not able to. Step 5 is not working.
okay.
So they need to be just outside the MicroSim folder,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. So Aditya, you are saying step 5 is not working. So
can we go?
yeah, I think we'll just go back here. So see, this you got the microsim.zip file, so which we extracted here, and in this particular CIF file, this also should be in this particular folder. So CIF file should be outside. You should see a microsim folder here, and then if you run the step 5, it will work.
It will work.
Okay, just replace this file name with the actual file name.
Yeah.
Here. Okay. So I think Aditya, that should work. Okay. So we'll continue ahead. We went into the grand potential solver folder. Okay. So we'll clean the old compiled files by using make clean, and then we'll compile the solver again.
Swapnil.
Yeah.
Swapnil, just guide me that if I have Windows and I have installed WSL, then in WSL, how can I install these things? I have to have.
No,
will I have to go to this
come to that
terminal?
in some time. We'll come to that.
Okay.
Yeah. We don't have the CIF file. No, I have. So Aditya, we have shared the CIF file. So you just check your email and you can check the chat box also. We had shared the CIF file. So you have to download that file. It's about 1.2 GB file. So instead of that, if you don't want to do that, you can also build it using this step 3. So here step 3, this creates the CIF file. Okay. No, for that we need
we
def
can
file.
provide it. Yeah, we
Yeah.
do have it.
So we will provide the def file. So if you want to build a CIF file, we have to provide this def file. We'll do that later in some time.
It's in KB.
Okay. That we can share in chat box
Yes,
also.
we can share it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure. So where were we?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the solver. So I'll just do make clean. Okay. So it removed all the previously compiled executables, and we'll do make. So it has generated these executables: microsim gp, write xdmf, and reconstruct. So next step is first we'll show you how to run the solver through the terminal. So you can just use this particular command. So we'll be running it on 4 cores. Yeah, okay, yeah. We have to set the file names correctly. npi run type.
Yeah, okay. -np 4.
So 4 is the number of cores here.
Dot slash
microsim
gp, right? Then input file, which is dvd, right? Okay. d yeah,
dot in.
Okay. Then fill. Okay. And then output file, right? Output. Today is 8. Okay. And then the course needs to be provided. Okay.
So we're using MPI run. We'll be parallelly running on 4 cores. This is the executable .microsim gp, and this is the input parameters. These are the filling files. So we'll walk you through what is there in this in file and filling file later on in the subsequent sessions. Right now, we just want to show you that after doing this installation, you should be able to run it. Okay.
Yeah.
So as you can see that it's running. So that's it. So So the installation of the grand potential solver is this straightforward. You just have to install the Singularity and then load the CIF file, go to the proper folder, and then just follow the set of instructions, compile and run. That's it. Now, if you want to open through GUI, you have to use Python 3.
So, I think you have to come.
Yeah, so you have to. So right now we are inside the grand potential folder. You have to come out of this folder. And then we have to run this microsim.py file. Python 3.
MicroSim.
Okay. So it should open this GUI, and then how to use this GUI to run the grand potential, it will be shown in the subsequent session. Okay. So see, you can choose. I think this was shown just now before this session. So we'll skip this part. But if you are able to open this much, then I think the installation is all fine. And then if you are able to use the MPI run command, then I think it should all work fine. So any questions? Did anyone try here?
Hello.
So you run it? Working fine. Okay.
Hello, Swapnik.
Anyone else try?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, in third
Yeah, we can
step,
hear.
I am not able to proceed. Hello.
Yeah, you are not able to what?
The first two steps I have completed. Till microsim zip I have downloaded. So the
Okay.
SIF file is, yeah. So if I don't have SIF, I have to do the step number 3. Am I right?
Yeah, so if you have a .sif file, then you can jump to step number 4. If you don't have it, then you have to follow this step number 3. But then for that, you will need the .def file also, which we haven't shared with you right now. So do you have the .sif file?
No, SIF file I'm not able to download. It is attached, but somehow it is, I am getting an error. I cannot download it.
What kind of error?
So
Yeah,
after clicking download, nothing progresses actually. It is 1.2
yeah, I mean, it
GB
might be because
file.
of did the download start? Were you able to go to the download screen?
Were downloaded fine, but this file there is a remark no virus scanned, and then there is I cannot download through Gmail.
Wait. See, I have opened this link. It's verifying link. Were you able to reach to this screen? Ujas?
Yes, I am able to reach.
Click on download.
After clicking download, there is no progress.
No, that might be an internet issue. Okay, so later on you can try it. It should work because if you are able to open this link, then it should download. Might be an internet issue only because it's a large file.
So is there any way like without downloading through step number 3 I can generate this
you
file?
will have to download it.
Otherwise, we have to file. They have to generate.
No, then you have to use otherwise the build file, but that will take a lot of time.
Yeah,
so the fastest way is to download this CIF file. So maybe your antivirus might be blocking it or something else might be blocking the download. So just try to check some other system. It started download.
Ubuntu,
right
so
now the speed is low because
okay.
Huh? Yeah.
It is Ubuntu, I suppose virus.
Yeah, it might be
Firewall.
Yeah, some firewall issue. So you can try on some other computer. If you still have the issue, you can get back to us
Okay,
later.
can you just send this link on the chat? Like whatever.
Yeah, I've already done that. I've already done that. So I've shared it again. Okay. We'll share the def file also in the chat. Where's the def file?
I think.
Yeah, now it is okay. Thank you. I'm able to download it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to check? It's the KBs only.
So it's all in your email.
Yeah, it's. Yeah, let me send it to you.
Yeah. Okay.
There's one for somebody's not able to install after that.
Okay.
So it's downloaded but not able to install.
Yeah.
Parul, what exactly is downloaded and not able to install? The zip file are you talking about?
Or it's Singularity?
Or Singularity? The def
Or
file.
Singularity
Okay.
only.
So Singularity. So which system you are using, Parul? '22. So you need to use this particular. Okay, from the instructions. You should download the third file. Did you do that? Yes, it's done. Okay, cool. Any other questions? I think then we can show them the WSL thing.
Yeah.
WSL
Okay.
I
think.
Srilekha, can you bring your
Windows
laptop?
users, please make note of it. It show
I think
how to access it
we
using
have
WSL.
not used WS
Huh?
basically.
We are not used
No,
it.
we don't use the Windows, no?
Yeah, no, but WSL might work because Tanvi was saying it worked
Oh,
previously.
it's okay.
Can I connect to your computer?
No,
Okay.
let us see how to install Singularity first.
Okay, fine.
Then we can negotiate.
Swapnil, will you come to this, Swapnil?
Yeah.
So will you come to that WSL installation through WSL?
Yeah.
How to
So
install that
we are just
compilation
checking that on another computer. Caps. Increase brightness. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Search this first time. Yeah, that's it. You just have to run this. Sudo d package. But where is your def file? Is it in the same folder?
Yeah.
Where we are? No. Let's check. Do ls.
Yeah, it's there.
It's there.
No,
Fine.
it's which OS actually? In WSL 18, right?
18 Bionic. Fine.
We have to go inside this.
No, you have to install it.
No, for installing you have to be in this particular folder only.
Yeah, we are there. No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
DB ready is not there.
No. Just check what was the thing. DPKJ. Typed it wrong. Okay, so I think we'll stop and we'll show it to them. I'll connect to your computer. Can you join Teams? Yeah.
This is
The meeting. We had emailed. Can you check the email?
here.
So we are joining through another computer. We'll show you once you have installed WSL, then how to install Singularity within WSL. Can you guys hear me? Yeah. The screen is not visible there. How do we project it? Now it's no, some loose connection was there. So fine. Let's check the settings. USB audio. PC mic and speaker. Override is changing both the things together. Okay, it's a custom setup. Okay. I'll check if I can hear. Can you speak?
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Can we start from opening the WSL? So we close this. Okay. I'll just minimize everything. Okay, so once you have installed, installed WSL and installed, let's say, so on this system, in WSL we have installed Windows 18.04. Okay, so you can go to start and check Ubuntu 18.04. So it will show up as an app once you install Ubuntu particular version within the WSL. So and install WSL2, okay, instead of 1, because WSL1 has the normal WSL limitations. WSL2 allows you to use GUI as well. Okay. So how did you download it here? We are in which particular folder? Okay. So we are in this particular folder, home likha, and then how did you download it? Okay, so where is it saved on your computer? Oh, okay. Okay, cool. So here, so if you open the file manager, you should be able to see once you open Ubuntu, you should be able to see something like this. So the dev file that you have, the singularity.dev file. So you. So under Linux, we are going into this Ubuntu 18. From there, home. And then this is the username. And then we have saved the singularity dev file here. Okay. Inside the home username. I will go back to the terminal. So we can see that this file is there. Now you need to use command sudo package -i singularity dev.
Sunday रात को तेरे क्या? This is so irritating. Not irritating. Like calling me to do this. Okay. No, I don't want to do. My finger is failing. I did it completely yesterday.
It's not okay. Is it? What did you do? It's not happening. Error package singularity C installed. What's the problem? Living configured. Run is not installed. Package run C is not installed. Did that previously? Yeah, no, it started previously. We did not finish it. Through singularity. Okay. This is WSL or WSL2? Right. Checking. It's showing up. So anyone here has WSL installed on their computer? WSL or WSL2? So what is your operating system? Windows 11 only, no? So that should be by default, I think WSL2. Okay. Were you able to do this? Oh, you're also getting the same error. Okay. Okay, a lot of steps here. Okay. I think we have to install this dependencies first. And then download the singularity source. God, it's a long process. Yes. Okay. Fine. I think I'll share this particular link with them. Sure. Installing singularity in WSL2. Control C. So I've shared one link in the chat box. Can you open it? Yeah, can open it. Okay, scroll down. Is this your mouse? No. Yes. No. So once you have installed WSL2, you just have to jump to here. So you need to go here, installing WSL2 in, installing Singularity in WSL2.
Yes.
Copy. So these are some of the dependencies because of which it was not able to install Singularity. So we'll see if this works. Just anyway. Okay. Rest will do we have to use. Oh, it did not copy the first line.
Oh, it's taking it as up.
Okay. So I think we have to type it then. Install -y. Just label right. Just
can we do it one by one?
Yeah, we can do one by one. So the install. We can just check if we are typing it correctly. Yes. Essentials. It's on. Okay. Yeah. Space. Okay. Just try installing this two first.
Okay.
Then we'll see.
Right?
Yeah.
No, build essential. It's actually.
Just install this one. Enter. No, because of the 10% it is creating issue.
Okay.
I think the 10% is.
Can we remove that?
Yeah, just remove that. So I think the link that we have to try. First, we need to install all these dependencies. After that, there's some more instructions. Install Go version, change version, whatever currently recommended for Singularity. Okay. So I think what we can do is we'll go through this later and then share the instruction later.
Yes.
So this particular Singularity package, we have not tried it on WSL. So I think what we'll do, we'll follow through all of these instructions and we'll send the correct final set of instructions later on. Because we have to start the next session. Yeah. So the people who are using WSL will get back to you all later on via email. We'll send you the instructions on how to install and run via WSL. Okay. So because we are getting late for the next session, so we'll stop it here. If anyone has questions, they can ask. Hello, is it audible?
Time, 10-minute break for.
Okay.
Come back.
Sure.
Someone is actually.
So we'll have a 10-minute
No,
break.
that
for
is
tea.
there.
So he's outside. After that we'll come back to the next.
So for the offline people, we have a tea break here. So we'll start in 5 minutes. Okay.
10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. Meanwhile, if anyone has questions, I'll be taking.
Sir, is it audible to you?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, can you please tell again the how to meaning after downloading the Singularity, how to install it for the Ubuntu 22.04? Can you please tell that one? From the starting, I am not able to download that Singularity. Then I am not able to proceed.
Okay, so you have a Ubuntu system, right? 22.04.
Yes, 22.04. Yes.
Okay. So if you have 22.04, did you download this particular file? Wait, I need to share my screen.
Visible, I think.
Just a minute, I'm sharing the screen. Yeah. So
Yes.
did you download this particular? You have downloaded, right?
Yes, I have downloaded.
And then you just double click it and it should open this.
Yes.
Were you able to?
Yes, I have double clicked. 3 files are there. Not like that.
No. Did you get this?
No.
So what did you do after? So when you double click this, what happens?
3 files are there. One is control tar, and another one is data tar, and another one is Debian binary.
No,
Right
I think.
click. If you're having that issue.
Okay. So you have this .def file. So can you just right click? So yours is this 22.04. Can you right click and see this open with software install?
Sir, I think the second option will be work. Open with the other application.
No. Do you see
no,
this?
I am not getting that option. I am getting open with Achieve Manager, then open with other applications.
So does it show the software install?
The second option will work.
No. So you right click and open with other application. Does it show software install?
Yes, it is showing software installation.
Yeah,
I will
so
click
on that and then click on. Yeah.
Okay, I have done. Exactly, I'm not getting anything after that.
Okay. So now does it open this window installation?
No. Yes, now something. Yes, it is open now. Yes.
Okay. So I think then you just click on install instead of this delete symbol. You'll see install there.
Yes.
I think then after this you should be able to follow the other instructions.
As this PDF, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. If I face any problems, how I will chat it here or how I will proceed?
Yeah. You can send a message on chat or you can email us.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Sorry. Can you take him upstairs? Is it there on that computer or that file? A def file?
All the def file is there.
On your laptop?
Yeah, no, I'm not my laptop. The
Computer.
System is there.
Upstairs computer. Upstairs computer, no? So can you just download and share it with me on email?
Sure, okay.
Okay.
Do you have a pen drive? No? It's in KB, not even in
Yeah, just email me.
Okay. I will go.
Anshika, can you take him upstairs? While running the step 4, it's not, it cannot open. Yeah. So we have not yet shared the swap underscore script.sh file with you. So we'll be sharing that in some time. So that file has to be placed in the MicroSim folder. Okay, I think.
So Swapnil, basically, I will have to first of all install WSL on Windows, and then I have to run dependencies, and then
Yes, yes.
singularities.
Yes, yes.
And WSL2, not WSL1. WSL only.
Yeah, I mean, not WSL. Instead of WSL, just install WSL2. It has a GUI support.
Okay, okay, okay. Then remaining processes of installation will be same as of Linux.
Can you repeat again?
After dependencies, other process of installation like Singularity and other things will be same, like of Linux.
So the only thing is, so right now in normal Ubuntu, we are just able to double click it and install it from here via GUI. So in
Okay.
WSL, that might not be the case. You will have to run this particular line. Where is it? Actually, we have to check those instructions. If you have a def file, usually if you just type the command, if you just type this command, sudo dpkg -i and the def file name, then it should install it in WSL. So we will get back to you all with the proper instructions later on.
Okay.
Please repeat from step 5, Aditya. Okay. So Aditya, from the step 5, you need to have the zip file. So since you are online, if you have downloaded the zip file, your zip file should be, so zip file should be outside here. Oh wait, I have to share my screen. Yeah, so as you can see, keep the zip file and then the extracted microsim folder here. And then from this particular folder, you run this particular command, microsim mount, and then instead of file name, write this t777_gp_gui.cif, and it should work. So right now we have not shared the NVIDIA CUDA file. That will do later because the NVIDIA session, the sessions are tomorrow. And then
Hello?
you have to do this cd mount, and then the other steps are as it is, you can follow.
Hello? Can you hear me, sir?
Is someone trying to say something?
Yeah, Aditya, sir. Aditya here.
Yeah, Aditya.
Yeah, so the step 5 is working fine.
Okay.
But the 6th one, I'm not able to perform it. cd/mnt.
No, so after you run this step number 5, do you get this singularity greater than symbol?
Yes. Yeah.
That you are able to get, right? So just do
Yeah.
ls and see where you are.
Okay.
Okay. I think
Yes. Okay.
I'll also run that command so that you can follow through. Okay. So now we are in singularity. So after that, you have to do cd/mnt. So Is it working for you?
Let me check. No, it's written no such file or directory.
No, so I think then there was some mistake in this particular step. When you did singularity shell bind, you have to use, just type it instead of copy pasting it. Just try to type this whole command.
Okay.
So you need to use the proper caps and small here. So if you make a mistake in any of the letter, it would be a problem. Yeah, you can bring this back. Which file? SIF. Okay. No, so you connect to the MicroSim Wi-Fi. So search for Wi-Fi.
That is a workstation.
Oh, you're doing there. Okay, so it
It doesn't allow. So can we file and share that link? Because that we might be able to download that compilation. It is a class. Just compress
okay.
the file.
Okay,
And
sure.